Good evening, everyone. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with the May Q&A responses. A lot of good questions in here. Just would like to say thank you to those who participated, and we're ready to dive into it. Stephen Casey, Railfan kicks it off. Good to see you again, man. Do you like learning about World Wars One and Two? Absolutely. World War II would be my all-time favorite to learn about. Casey has 4006 or 4009. Both of them are really pretty units. Should scale trains do the FEC ES44 C4s? I wouldn't mind seeing a run of those. SP Cab 4s or the CNO Alleghenies? I gotta go with the Allegheny on this one. Wide vision or the cupola caboose? I prefer wide vision. Onion rings or stuffed mushrooms? Gotta go onion rings. What is your favorite side dish to go with pizza? I gotta go with a salad on this one. How would you feel if Walter's Mainline did Dash 9 locomotives? It would be kind of a cool release to see Walters do. I hope they do it. Favorite thing about iPhones? Oh man, been a proud Apple product user for a long time. I love the fact it's Apple. It was designed by the late Steve Jobs. They're easy to use, they're reliable, and Apple has just always been good, and they're always innovative and always developing things and improving what they have, and I've always loved Apple for that. Amtrak 145 or the 203, gotta be the 203 because it is vibrant. Have you ever tried the Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew? No. Thoughts on Golden Corral? I've only been there a few times in my life, but they do have a lot of good food out there too. Favorite kind of railroad signals? Norfolk and Western CPLs, on the old target signals that were used by the Santa Fe, the Virginian, and the Atlantic Coastline Railroads. I said the Southern Safe Trans. My all-time favorite signal is the Norfolk and Western CPL signal. Um, those were always really pretty, really pretty signals. Um, K5LA or the RS3L? I have to go with the RS3L. Favorite things about the SD40T-2, it was the unique body design. The back of the body was always cool looking, and they really nailed that locomotive. The tunnel motor was always great. That was a unique locomotive that they produced. The AC 6000 or the Ace, I like both of those. Do you like chili dogs? Oh, absolutely, especially during baseball season. So add a little cheese to that. Makes it really good. Thoughts on French toast sticks? Oh man, I have not had those since I was a kid. French toast sticks are good. The CNJ or the Frisco? I like both of them. And favorite electric locomotives in the U.S.? Hmm. The Acela Express, the AEM7, both of those are really good. I would say those are my two favorites. And do you add A1 steak sauce to your steaks? No, I don't. A1 is pretty good, but to me, I always like to taste the flavor of the meat. I always love tasting the flavor of the meat. But thank you, sir, for your questions there. Trayman 1993 and Andrew Leah both come back. Hey guys, how's it going? Do you like Breyer's ice cream? Yes, sir. Strawberries or cherries? I like both of them. And the C30-7 or the Alco C430. I'll go with the Alco on this one. I'm eating a little snack real quick. I do apologize. Andrew Liam comes in with his questions. Your thoughts on UP donating Challenger 3985 to the Railroad Heritage of Midwest America in Silvis? I heard about that. I think that's going to be a good project. Do you hope to see the big boy? I don't know. What if UP actually did a triple header with the 844, the 4014, and the 3985? That is literally a rail fan's dream come true catch. So that would definitely be something that would be great. Like the 611, the 1218, and the 2156. All those last together would be the literally an iconic shot right there. So, thank you, gentlemen, for your questions. Running Rails comes back. Good to see you, man. Thanks. Hope you're doing well. Saying here. Favorite fallen flag from CN. I have a couple of favorites. Illinois Central being one of them. Wisconsin Central being another, and Grand Trunk Western. There are three of them. Your thoughts on RBMN restoring the 2102? That was a good project. Glad to see that's steaming around a little bit. Would you rather have a BC Rail Dash 9 Duo or a C40-8M Duo? Rather have the Dash 9 Duo with one with the red, white, and blue scheme and the one with the blue and white with the double set of ditch lights on there. That would be great. What do you like with your chicken? Well, there's a variety of things I like with chicken. Mashed potatoes, green beans, I don't think. Rice, broccoli. I like a lot of stuff with chicken. And even barbecue sauce on chicken. Just simply grill the chicken. And then on the side, you can put like some Sweet Baby Ray's or something like that on the side and just dip it in. Oh, buddy, you're in business. So, thank you guys for your questions. And lastly, take username concludes it all. Great to see you, man. How's your day going? It was pretty good today. Favorite type of weather? Sunny and comfortable. Have you ever played paintball? No, but I know some friends of mine who love paintball. Are there really obscure railways you know of that you like? I'm not sure on that one. I gotta think about that one. If there was one truck manufacturer you could eliminate from history, which would it be? I wouldn't eliminate either one of them, any of them, because all of them are unique in their own ways, especially with like their engine designs or even cab designs. I really like Mack because Mack designs their own engines. Because Mack has the full bred truck, and that's one thing I've always liked about Mack because it's the full bred. You got the Golden Bulldog on there. It's Mack engine, Mack cab, Mack seats, Mack everything. Mack is really unique. All the truck companies are unique because they've produced a lot of the cool trucks in American history. Have you seen Top Gun, and do you like it? The new one or the old one? The old one, yes. With the song Danger Zone by Kenny Loggins. I've seen the old one, but I have not seen the new one. Do you have a favorite animated series? Or if you're talking cartoons, Tom and Jerry, the Jetsons, the Flintstones. Now, if you're talking like a children's television program, one of them is Theodore Tugboat. That was produced in Canada from 1993 to 2001. I hope that sort of answers your questions there. Just want to give both sides of that question. Favorite brand of chips, either between Lay's and Utz. Do you prefer movies or books? I like books because you can learn a lot about them. With movies, you get more action in there. Any big plans for the summer? I really don't know yet. I'm sure I'll think about a bunch of that stuff after I do the video. After doing this video, but I think I may have some plans for the summer. I'm just thinking about it and just figuring out, allowing time from work. Do you ever see any fallen locomotives that belong to a fallen flag that were still painted in the libraries of those railways, even though their service of a successor? Obviously, Santa Fe locomotives. I'm just naming some in general. Santa Fe locomotives. There's plenty of Southern Pacific, Illinois Central, Grand Trunk, to name a few examples, but not very often. Not very often. Favorite shirt. Now, are you talking more like a dress shirt, or are you talking about a polo shirt? I've always liked button-down shirts, and I've obviously liked t-shirts as well. Are there any foods that you can find cheap at grocery stores that you really love? Well, goldfish being one of them. Obviously, Orville Redenbacher's popcorn. Um, just to name a few. Chips Ahoy cookies, just to name a few of that side of the grocery store. I say that meaning the cookies and all that stuff. Are you related to anyone famous or well known? I have never been asked this question. I'm gonna have to look into that one. I'm gonna have to look into that one. So thank you. I'll definitely look into that. Do you prefer daytime or nighttime? I like both. I like nighttime because you get to see the sunset and listen to the crickets at night and look at the stars. And daylight, you see the rise of the sun and enjoy the cool breeze during the day. Star Wars or Star Trek? I'm more familiar with Star Trek because Star Trek came out in the 70s and I've seen episodes of that. Do you have a preferred type of shoes? Well, I like tennis shoes and steel toe boots. Brands, I gotta go with Vans, um, Caterpillar boots, um, and I actually don't mind Skechers as well. Um, are there any trains that you catch that you don't catch on camera? Well, there's been times where I pass trains on the road sometimes, and I can't film. I'm like, daggone it. I've had plenty of those instances, but yeah, I try to film when I can. I just try to film when I can. Do you have a favorite animal? I love a dog. I love a dog, and I also like seeing a blue heron. Are there any non-train related YouTube channels that you like? Well, Diesel Creek being one, Hamiltonville Farm, um, and Bruce Wilson. I like those three because they do a lot of will it starts, will it runs. Because I'm also into big trucks and big equipment. Um, do you like to work in the mornings or the evenings? It depends on the day. I prefer morning because I'm a little bit fresher. Do I work out when I can? Just when I can. What's one locomotive you recommend someone sees before something happens? The older locomotives in general. The older locomotives in general. Have you ever had a pet? Yes, we had a dog when I was younger, but she died when I was 9. And do you prefer fruity candy or chocolate? Well, it depends on the day. Now, I do like chocolate. I like white chocolate, especially Hershey's cookies and cream. That's one of my favorite all-time candy bars for chocolate. Fruity candy is good, especially Jolly Ranchers. I love Jolly Ranchers. I will tear apart a bag within minutes. I love them. So it says, have a great day and can't wait for more. Thank you so much. So, guys, that is May Q&A responses right there. I hope you guys enjoyed them, and June's Q&A prompt will be coming out soon. So, anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and tap that bell for the notifications. And I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and may God bless.